Well, it's the final phase of the marathon polling season that has been witnessed for over a month, and it draws to a close today, the last in the final phase of the 2024 general elections. Let's go back to our reporters who are getting us the live updates because it is already 7 o'clock. Pradeep ji, good morning, sir. When we are talking about Hamirpur and the elections that have been taking place, this is one of the last seats and one of the last bastions that are now concerned, at least for the BJP. Over to you for the live election updates.
Very well, good morning, Amita. Yes, you're absolutely right. It's the last phase of the election, and you can see there's a lot of excitement among the people. We have seen that each and every candidate coming over to the polling booth and requesting people to come over in large number and cast their vote. But here, it's a very heartening to see many of the women voters since morning they had beelined outside the polling booth. You rightly said this is a high-profile constituency. If we talk about Hamirpur, it has got the 17 assembly segments, and there are about 14 lakh voters. 7 lakh are men, and 7 lakh are the women. But what is really important is that the contest is this time between the BJP and the Congress, and the stakes are really high for both Anurag Thakur as well as Satpal Raizada, who is a candidate for the Congress party. Why it is high for the Congress party? Reason is that Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu, who is the Chief Minister of the Congress, he is from this particular constituency, and he is trying his level best to ensure that his candidate wins. But so far as Anurag Thakur is concerned, he is the one who has won this election 4 times, and he is for the 5th term, and he is riding high on the development plank and also the welfare policy of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But so far as the Congress party is concerned, they are trying to target BJP. They are saying that the BJP has made so many promises, but they have failed to fulfill all those promises. Let me speak to some of them. आप पहली बार वोट दे रहे हैं?
जी।
कितनी एक्साइटमेंट है?
बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट है, फर्स्ट टाइम वोट।
कितना इश्यूज क्या क्या आपके लिए जो एज ए यंगस्टर्स?
फर्स्ट तो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, दूसरा बेसिकली अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड एजुकेशन।
Unemployment and education. See, Amita, wherever we are going, we are talking to the people. Each one of them are saying that unemployment is the biggest issue for them. And that's what actually where the Congress is trying to hit out at the BJP. But so far as the BJP is concerned, they're talking about the development that they have brought in. And let me speak to more people here. क्या-क्या issues हैं आपके लिए यहाँ पे?
सर, हमारे लिए देश का विकास फर्स्ट है, नेशनल डेवलपमेंट, और उसके बाद जो राम को लाए हैं उनको जिताने के लिए, और 400 पार के लिए वोटिंग।
See, they are saying that what is more important for them is the development of the country, the security-related issues, and these are more important for the people. But what we have seen that during the election campaigning also, though the Congress tried to hit out at the BJP, they are saying that they are going to scrap the policy of the Agnivir. Because if we talk about this particular Hamirpur constituency, because a sizable number of population, they are either the ex-servicemen or they are into armed forces, because they feel that joining armed forces is the best ever employment opportunity for them. That's one of the reasons that the Congress is saying that we are going to scrap this policy, because they feel that that way the person is not getting a regular job, and neither they are getting the pension. So that's one of the reasons.
Well, that has been the mudde that we have been talking about, especially the people as they're coming out to cast their vote early this morning. Of course, it's a Saturday, but don't take it as an election holiday. Come cast your vote, then you can enjoy your day.